Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app. Then select one of your albums and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now, instead of clicking on all of those, you can select this icon, the square one, at the top right corner. This way you will pick all the available ones. When you're ready to delete them, click on this bin next to three dots at the top right corner. Lastly, select OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!